What's more important, either the degree or the certification?
Take it from someone with a few degrees myself. Absolutely, absolutely the certifications and the hands-on.
Okay.
And that's what happened. After my fancy degrees, I went to the market. They were like, okay, so yeah, great. Do you have those degrees? Once we add you to this team, how are you going to be able to add value from day one? And I couldn't answer that. I had very generic, broad theoretical knowledge that wasn't necessarily transferable directly to a team. So yes, definitely, especially nowadays where universities are trying to retrofit an old model into a new era. Basically, the credit hour, the 120 credit to get a degree, the 4-year format, the 6 months semester, it doesn't work anymore. It's an old 200 or 300 years old model they're trying to retrofit in 2021. You see what I mean? And the second problem I see, although some universities and colleges are trying to fix that, is the professor sometimes don't have the hands-on. And this is the difference in our training center. So all our instructors bring back knowledge that they've been doing the same day. They bring that back to the classroom that same night. And you cannot say that for all the professors. You know, they have great knowledge, but sometimes it's theoretical. They've left the corporate world a while ago. So the knowledge transfer from hands-on to classroom, there's a lag. There's usually, a lag in terms of years, not hours, just like our instructors. So a short answer, the certification and hands-on is way more important, especially in 2021. It's like an elephant trying to adapt. Smaller companies like us, we are more agile in general. We can adapt faster. The decision to change or tweak something to make my program more relevant takes days or hours, but it takes months or years for an institution like a university or college. So the agility of adapting to what the market needs real time, we have that in terms of advantage on colleges and universities.